In this video, we look at question 7 part 3 of the standard graph tutorial. By now, you will have found from part 1 that the value of b is equals to 1. So we know the expression, the equation for y is y equals to x squared minus 4x plus 4 over x plus 1. What this equation does is it relates the values of x and y for every point on the curve C. So when we are asked to find the set of values of y that y cannot take, it means we need to look at the portion of the graph where there is no curve. When there's no curve, there's no values of y cannot take certain range of values, and hence it also means there is no real x. In order to make use of such information, we need to relook at the equation. Okay, we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 over x plus 1. To study the portion where there is no x or y values, we try to rearrange this equation in this manner. When we expand, we will have okay, so here I'm only expanding the left side and subtracting all terms and bring over to the right side. So I arrive at this equation. If I were to rearrange it further, I will get this. From here, you can see that the equation has been changed to a form that you are familiar with. From O level, you have seen quadratic equation like this before. In this case, C is 4 minus y, B is negative 4 minus y, and A is equals to 1. So when we speak of the portion of the graph where y cannot take certain values, meaning there's no graph, means we have no real x. When we have no real x, it means b squared minus 4ac less than 0. That is what you are familiar with from secondary school. Okay, let me be clear. Y cannot take some values. Okay, so it means no graph. No graph means no values for x also. Therefore, this equation, no real x. When we try to solve the equation 1 up there, linking it to the idea that b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant should be less than 0. So using this concept, we sub in our b, negative 4 negative y squared minus 4ac less than 0. When we simplify this, expand out and simplify, we should be able to get the inequality y squared plus 12y less than 0. From secondary school, you know that you can factorize this. Proceed on to look at the quadratic graph in y. Okay, with the roots as negative 12 and 0. To solve the inequality, we know that we should be looking at this portion of the graph, and hence y should be between negative 12 and 0. Therefore, the set of values that y cannot take, such that there's no real x, will be y being a real number such that y is between -12 and 0. Thank you.